In the chaos of combat, dismounted ground forces need to directly interact with close air support aircraft in order to quickly and accurately identify friendly from foe.
Shadow 06, Shadow 102, what's the report? Yes, contact, I repeat, contact. Shadow 102, yes. Shadow 12, 16 and 12. Right, we're taking big fire from the west, stand by. We're popping smoke, look for the red smoke, Copy, west of the red smoke, I'm looking at danger smoke. Right, you're fire west of the smoke, Bandit Missile, Bravo, go. You're fire west of the smoke, we're in smoke top. Still taking fire from the west. We're moving quickly. It's the fire south of the grove. They're right in the grove. South and west. Out.
Poor and unreliable voice communications adds another level of confusion and uncertainty to an already high-stress situation, and this can lead to a number of deadly mistakes. Now with Viasat's Battlefield Awareness and Targeting System dismounted, or BATS-D, ANPRC 161 radio, air and ground situational awareness is fused right in the palm of your hand. For the first time in history, a single dismounted warfighter has the ability to directly interact with incoming aircraft, digitally identify friendly locations, and designate enemy targets for air attack using nothing but a handheld Link-16 radio.
Contact, RPG, 1 o'clock. Shadow 06 is Shadow 10 Juliet. Troops in contact. Request immediate air from my position. Shadow 10 Juliet. Expect outlaw flight. Your push in 4 mics.
Using the Viasat BATS-D PRC 161 radio, Joint Terminal Attack Controllers and other dismounted downrange operators can digitally share situational awareness information with pilots with pinpoint accuracy in a matter of seconds.
Stand by, data.
Roger. Good data. Advise. Ready for system readback.
Send it.
537 CMSL 17 Sierra Papa Uniform 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Read back correct. Enemy marked by speed.
Tally speed. Visual friendly.
The Viasat BATS-D PRC 161 enables air-to-ground integration forces to find, fix, and finish targets at an exponentially faster rate with greater accuracy than ever before, significantly decreasing the risk of fratricide.
Report in with direction. Expect clearance on final.
In. Heading. 320.
Clear hot. Good hit. Target neutralized. Egress will.
With the Viasat BATS-D PRC 161 radio, dismounted ground forces can directly communicate with other aircraft and be accounted for in the common operational picture, bringing new advantages to the battlefield. This access helps automate duties to shorten kill chain timelines, reduces the likelihood of accidental blue-on-blue engagements, and increases the effectiveness of coordinated forces. Whether in the air, on land, or at sea, military forces around the world count on Viasat for Link-16 innovations that transform missions and make new kinds of operations possible. From software programmable, multi-channel comms to advanced networking capabilities to developing the world's first handheld Link-16 radio, Viasat brings breakthrough innovation directly into the hands of warfighters, delivering maximum flexibility and interoperability across any mission and platform to ensure full situational awareness across the battle space.